Consulting. Today we are going to go through the AOE reports, benchmarking report, and I'm just going to give you a broad overview of what is contained in each section, and then we're going to go into one specific report and show the user just generally how you can use this information. So as you can see on this left side, we have the report sections laid out broadly over here. Each of these report sections contains one or more individual reports within them. Report highlights, the first one, it just contains top-level information, compensation, number of FTEs, profile of the participants, etc. Provider data, the second one, it allows you to delve deeper into the physician compensation breakout and also see the gross charges, receipts, and more information that was contained in the W-2 form. Financial statements shows practices, income statements, and balance sheets. It also compares that information per the FTE provider and other specific metrics. Productivity data shows payer mix, accounts receivable. Ancillary data breaks out MRI, X-ray, and PT sites, further detail. Employees and square footage data contains most of the information on the full-time employee count and the head count. Practice administrator data shows practice administrator compensation. And other information contains call data and recruitment 1 and recruitment 2 data. So for today, I'm going to show you the practice administrator data and just give you a sense of how this reports can be utilized. So as I log into the screen, log into the report, as you remember before, up top here, there are different ways that I can, different filters I can click on to break out the information that underlies here, and it is all completely dynamic. You know, for example, if I click on Alabama, now we're looking at all the Alabama data. If I click on practice size 6 through 12, we're only looking at practice sizes 6 through 12. I can combine these in any way. If you ever click on something that leads to less than 4 companies being shown, then that data will be removed due to disclosure policies. So below here, I see the first graph right here is total compensation for practice administrators. The industry average right now, because that is the default metric, the average is the default metric, is shown in this dark blue. My practice, and this is dummy practice data, but my practice is in light blue. I can change the metric to get at different percentiles or show the median, and that will update these graphs down here. This graph right here is fixed in that respect because it already has the average in dark blue, 25th percentile, median 75th percentile, and 90th percentile. So going in real quickly, you can get a snapshot of where your practice, how your practice compares to the industry average just for total compensation. You can look at CEO, CFO, all the different administrators that you may have selected for, and the rest of the charts will update accordingly. At the bottom, these are simply bar charts which show a comparison of the base, the bonus, and the base plus bonus, along with all the other breakouts of other compensation. So in a very quick few steps, you can look at how you compare to the industry. You can look at how different sorts of practice sizes or different states compare to the industry overall. And you can get a better, basically get a better sense of how your particular practice benchmarks against the entire survey sample as a whole. Again, in any report, to update these bar graphs down here from an industry metric to your practice, you click on the My Practice button, and now these will only contain your practice information. All right, that is it for this demo. Thank you for participating. We will have more demos out coming soon. Thank you.